Hi Hamburger Marys, it's me, Melody Sings Facade, and I'm here to show you how to do a makeup tutorial. Watch me go from this to this. Before I do my face, I like to start off with gluing down my brows, and I use it the old-fashioned way, and I use a purple glue stick, Elmer's. It works for me. Other people like to use other things, but I like this. And I like to get it wet, and then I go in on my brow, back and forth, and then I get one of these brushes and I brush them up, and I do it a couple layers until it's really flat. And then I have this LA Girl Pro Concealer to color correct my face. So I put it under my eyes, on my bags, my mustache, area around my lips. And then I have this sponge right here, damp it always. Your goal is to look like an orange Oompa Loompa. I'm gonna go over with my foundation. And then I'm gonna powder my face. I use translucent extra coverage. I use a flyer to contour, any flyer, and I like to mix colors. It's crazy, but I get the color that I want after. I use La Femme. That's a brand of eyeshadows. It's in here. And I smile a little bit. My brows should be almost ready to cover them with the coating powder. But since it's extra hot today, it's gonna take an extra minute. Thank God I have my Hamburger Mary's fan to help these suckers dry. You can pick one up at the gift shop. Say code Melody. So I'm gonna cover them. Then I'm gonna use my foundation. So I'm gonna draw my brow. And then I go and clean it. Of course, because it's not perfect yet. But I use just like a little brush. And I go and use Clown White. And then I use my white La Femme eyeshadow and I go underneath my brow with the Clown White and I go and touch it up with this white eyeshadow. So now I'm on my eyes now. And I'm gonna do some eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the James Charles palette. Start off with this color first. I'm gonna do my whole lid. Gonna make my crease. I make my same crease. I do the same thing with my brows. I use the Clown White and the brush. So then I'm gonna use my white La Femme and I'm gonna use it to cover my crease. My lid. Sorry, my lid. Nothing's better than my white La Femme. Now that it's done, now I'm gonna deepen my crease. I'm gonna start with the sides and work my way to the front. I'm gonna go use some light pinks and some pinks and go on top and blend it out. And then next, I'm going to put my black eyeliner on. After that, I like to put the purples and pinks underneath my eye as well. So what I did for my eyeshadow, I'm going to do the same color underneath my eye as well. So I'm going to go with the light purple and just go underneath my eye and blend it out. I'm gonna use this brush and get some black eyeshadow and then go underneath my waterline and darken it up. And I'm gonna contour my nose. I like to really contour my nose and make it thin. And I use Raisin by MAC for my nose contour. Now I'm gonna do my forehead, finish my forehead. So I'm gonna put my foundation on my forehead, which is the Revolution that I've used. Then I'm gonna use my F1 from Revolution in the middle. Next, I'm going to contour my forehead. Next is my lips, and I like to use a pencil, and the color I like to use is mauve. You can get it anywhere, any brand really. I just like the color mauve. It's just like a warm, it's like a warm nude color for me. So I'm gonna outline my lips, and I use actually the whole pencil inside of my lips as well. Now that's done, I'm gonna add some clown white in the middle of my lips. Just to give that ombre effect. Like that. Alright, Hamburger Marys, as you can tell, karaoke's just started from 6 to 10 every Tuesday. $4 tacos, beef, chicken, and potato. They're delicious. So come out and bring your family and friends because we have a competition starting at 9:30 p.m. Every Tuesday, we give away $100. So come out. Every Tuesday, we have karaoke, and it's hosted by AJ and myself, Melody Sings Facade. And next, I'm going to put my lashes on so you guys can see that. I put tops and bottom lashes. So I use the Weep On glue. And I don't put too much on the eyelash because you don't want it to drip and touch your eye because then that will hurt your eye. I know. So now that I finished putting my lashes on, I look at my face and I like to put a lot of white eyeshadow underneath my eyes and right here, and then I blend it out after, so watch. And then I get my blush palette and I go really crazy with my blush palette. As you can tell, these are all the colors, and you want to know what I use all of them, to be honest. And then I smile a little bit and I go in my cheek. And then I like to do my traditional moles on my face. I always put my moles on my face. And then I use my morphine spray that I just bought at DragCon. And I've heard really good things about it, and I'm gonna do it right now. My face is done. Now I gotta change and put my wig on my outfit, and you're gonna see me in a couple minutes. So, DJ, can you play it for me? DJ, my co-host AJ. You make me Alright, you guys, thank you guys for sticking around with me here at Hamburger Mary's, watching me how to do my makeup. And I hope that you guys are having a good time. Please come out on Tuesdays for Hamburger Mary's Drag Me to Karaoke with my co-host AJ. Hi. And we're going to give away $100 to the best singer. And we have delicious $4 tacos, beef, chicken, and potato, and red and green salsa. So every Tuesday here at Hamburger Mary's. Thank you guys.